Using a secured credit card with a $300 limit can be straightforward. To maximize its benefits, consider increasing your credit limit by adding to your security deposit. Most card issuers allow this, although the maximum amount varies. For example, some issuers may permit deposits up to $10,000, while others may cap it at $5,000. Another strategy is to carefully manage your credit utilization. With a $300 limit, it's essential to keep your spending in check and make timely payments to maintain a low utilization percentage. This approach helps build credit scores more quickly, as lower utilization percentages are generally favorable. By following these simple tips, you can effectively use a secured credit card with a $300 limit to improve your creditworthiness over time.